shots with you.
Not much at the ground level. Guys, we should go south. We should go south. It's incredible. We can proceed south after this. We're gonna get nailed by the hook. We gotta get south now. We can't go east. I wanna go east.
I mean south. You going south?
We're going south, but this is gonna get us. The hail's gonna get us.
Down power line.
Alright, you're fine.
No, I got him down right in the road in front of me, dude. What do I do now?
Oh God. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up.
Backing up. Backing up.
Okay, don't forget it.
What was that?
That's a baseball.
I don't think so.
Just trying to angle the truck the best I can.
Don't face into it. You're gonna lose the windshield.
There's a guard there. I can't go anywhere.
Oh, lost the window. Oh my God.
Just cover your face if the glass breaks.
What?
It's actually broken. That stuff's supposed to hold up to a lot. Oh, this is nice. You can see the cracks through the windshield. You know, the body damage is ugly, and I got to decide what to do about that. But I'm more worried about getting this window replaced.
This is what happened to us. Lost a window. Hailguard did its best, but not against softballs.
But it's just like, oh God, it's drunk. You're
This right there, hand sized.
Well,
That hailguard worked. Yeah, thanks. Tremendous craters. My hailguard design held up remarkably well. I'd like to know what size hailstone did that. Basically shredded it, but it's survived. Nice. Look at that. How did my anemometer survive? I don't know.
you making a right on it?